Now that we have looked at the main ways in which information is presented in Task 1, you may be starting to think about how you would go about structuring your answer. As I have previously mentioned, you should spend around 20 minutes on Task 1. This includes planning and checking your answer. Remember, in Task 1, you will be required to write a descriptive report based on the information provided of around 150 words. Your answer should be split into the introduction and the main body of your essay. Your first step will be to introduce the graph, table, or map. Next, you would move on to giving a general overview of the information and describe any key trends. Finally, you should move on to describing the information in detail. You can do this by looking at the key features of the information. Remember, the main body of your essay should be split into paragraphs, ideally around 2 or 3 paragraphs. Congratulations! You made it to the end of another video lesson. Now it is time for your tip of the day. Today's tip is to make sure you are familiar with the different types of graphs or charts that might be used in a Type 1 question. You need to make sure that you're able to accurately describe and analyse each way the information might be presented. And remember, you might get a question that uses more than one chart type. Thank you for watching today's video, and be sure to check out the other videos in this series for more help. Have a great day. Bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out our other videos. You can find loads of useful links in the description below. Let's get started.